Okay, so I'm gonna try and find which cup will be most diluted when all the amount of water is different. Here I have 1 cup of water, here I have half a cup and 1/3, and I'm gonna use 5 ml of cumin powder. So first I'm gonna add the cumin powder. And now I'll add the water.
It's hot.
So now, after I observed it, I can conclude that the cup with the 1 cup of water is most diluted because the color seems to be way too faint and clear, while the rest is too thick and the color is way